Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on text message notification on your Cash App. But before I begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to know how to save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in the video description. As you look to the middle of your screen right there, you're going to see the Amazon deal and the Amazon Prime trial. So that's the link right there. And I highly recommend this subscription because you can save a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege to try something and cancel anytime. So you guys should check it out. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to turn on text message notification on your Cash App. We'll start by opening up Cash App. We're going to open Cash App. So once we're in this home screen right here, make sure that you look on the upper right hand corner and tap on the profile icon where you're gonna see like a picture with a little circle with a person inside there. Make sure that you tap on the little profile icon. Once you tap on that, you're gonna get on this page right here. Once you're on this page right here, make sure that you select notifications. Make sure that you select notifications. Once you select the notification, you're gonna get on this page right here, and make sure that you select your phone number. You tap on your phone numbers right there, and you're gonna give you like a green check mark on your number, and make sure there's a green check mark right there. And that's how you turn on text message notification on your Cash App. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. So I encourage for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.